Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Internet Guru. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Clash Royale on PC. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Google Play Games. Download it, and once the download is complete, open File Explorer and find the file you saved. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to start the installation. After installation, click Sign in with Google, select your Gmail account, and then click Sign in. Create your profile, click Accept, and then click Finish. Now search for Clash Royale, click Install, and then click Add. The game will start downloading. On the left side, click on the Library option. You can also find the game there. Finally, click Play, and you're done. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for daily uploads. This is another Internet Guru. See you in the next video.